Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV model and OS, so you select the correct removal method. Use the remote to open Home or Menu and go directly to Apps or Settings apps. If prompted, sign into the owner or admin profile so you have permission to uninstall. Make sure the remote has fresh batteries and the TV is connected to power and Wi-Fi. Once in the app list, highlight the app you want. Don't press delete yet. Just open its details to check size and permissions. You now proceed to uninstall or disable the app depending on what the OS offers. Select the app and choose Uninstall. If only Disable is available, that means it's built in, so disable and hide it. Before confirming, clear cache and data to remove residual files and free storage. Confirm the prompts and watch the progress indicator. It usually takes a few seconds. Once done, make sure to reboot the TV to let the system update app lists and reclaim memory and storage space. Finish by confirming the app is gone from the app list and no longer appears on your home screen tiles. You may need to remove any leftover shortcut manually. If you plan to reinstall, visit the App Store and download it again, making sure to restore any account settings if needed. If uninstall failed, try a power cycle first. Unplug for 30 seconds and plug back in. If problems persist, use a factory reset only as a last resort because it erases local data and requires
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.